Hello, everybody, and we're back with a brand new edition of Ocean County's Health Headlines. Now, in this segment, we take the opportunity to observe National Public Health Week by saluting all the people who pitched in and did their part battling one of the biggest health crises in American history. We certainly want to recognize all the challenges and sacrifices Ocean County residents made the past 2 years and how they played such an important role, whether it was by following the many safety and precaution measures, caring for loved ones, or the variety of social contact restrictions. And certainly we need to recognize all of the public health professionals and volunteers, whether they worked on the front lines or behind the scenes. Now, they'll all agree providing our community with essential services during a pandemic is an experience they'll never forget.
The greatest highlight of working during the pandemic was really seeing the teamwork, the collaboration. I watched my coworkers step up and do things that were sometimes outside of their comfort zones. And we really just worked together. We bridged the gaps. We did what was needed for each other and for the community.
I felt honored to be asked, to help out. It seemed that at the time, everybody needed help. So it was nice to kind of join in.
I never thought I'd be part of a pandemic. Never thought that I'd be part of this. Here we are in the United States. This doesn't happen to us, but we were asked to be part of this in March of 2020 to take it from the ground to where we're at today. To me, I'm proud to stand here and say, you know what, I was part of it.
I would say overwhelming, to say the least. The reality of it is you just stayed your course and tried to make your way through and do the best that you could with what you had on hand.
It's been a wild 2 years, that is for sure. I've learned a lot, but the most notable thing to me is the people that I've had the opportunity to work with along the way. The team here at Ocean County Health Department is phenomenal and just dedicated to the work that they do and to protecting and keeping our community healthy.
Especially from the standpoint of the animal facilities, it was very challenging because even though we weren't allowed to have the public come in as we did, we still had animals and we still had to figure out a way to get them adopted. We adapted. Our staff did a wonderful job. We implemented social distancing, appointments. We got over 2,000 animals adopted since the start of the pandemic. And it was a great experience, even though it was challenging.
And we'll all remember the pandemic for the rest of our lives, no doubt about that. And please remember to follow us on social media by subscribing to our very own OCHD YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook and Twitter or our website. Okay, that's going to do it for now. I'm Brian LePay. We'll see you next time.